Welcome back. It's day 2 of our powerhouse road trip. We've gone from Poughkeepsie to Dayton. We're getting an in-depth look at what's happening in different housing markets around the country, especially wanting to know how far a $1 million budget really goes now. Yesterday, we were in Poughkeepsie, New York. Today, we're heading to Dayton, Ohio, which saw its housing market heat up during that shift to work from home. Number 74 now on Zillow's top 100 metro areas by size. Dayton prices are up more than 11% from last year. Just under half of houses are selling above list price. Here to tell us what it's like on the ground is Chip James. He's a realtor and luxury specialist with Keller Williams Community Partners in the Dayton area. Chip, welcome.
Hi, Kelly. Thank you so much.
So would you say the market there is more balanced these days?
Well, it feels like it's starting to balance out because for the first time in years, we have buyers that seem to be heading to the sidelines a little bit. And so it's sort of a wait and see approach for us in the business to see how this plays out over the next couple of months.
Prices are up, but in part because supply has declined. I think you said declined even more than its already low level of last year. So in terms of price, the market is healthy. But from where you sit, how are volume of sales? In other words, how many sales have you done this year to date versus last year to date? Is it the same, higher, lower?
The market in general, from a sales perspective, is down 10 to 15%. Thankfully, I'm blessed my business is up a little bit year to date. But, our inventory is just so tight. There's really nothing available. And so this shift with buyers, not being able to afford as much and for interest rates going so much higher, it hasn't really impacted the good houses yet. So we're still seeing a really what feels like a seller's market.
I want, my favorite part, Chip, is seeing the houses. So if you don't mind, let's look at this one. It's a little over our $1 million budget, but maybe we can get a deal and maybe not. Talk to us about this property that's on the market right now.
Yeah, simply just a beautiful home and location, right, guys? So it's sandwiched right between like South Dayton and northern Cincinnati. So it's going to get a ton of attention whenever it hits the market again. My buyer was lucky enough to scoop it up not too long ago, but it's a 60 by 18 saltwater pool. So just something really exceptional outside. And people in Dayton, we love to host and entertain outside during those 6 months a year that the weather allows. But this house is a great example of that, just beautiful inside and out.
Kelly, I think we should open the Dayton Bureau. This is really a perfect example. Look at the scale of that. That's on what, more than an acre of property or what?
Yeah. Typically people, so whenever I travel, I love to talk to people about like the same thing you guys are asking me about, right? Like how far does my money go? And in Dayton, Ohio, if you're getting $1 million home or say 1.2 million, you're probably getting a beautiful home site. Some people say a lot, but I like to say a beautiful home site, probably an acre with some trees, and hopefully low property taxes and a great school district. So, that's why people are flocking to Dayton and choosing to live here instead of some of our sister cities like Cincinnati or even Columbus.
Chip, my other favorite question, other than seeing the house, is I like to know what's going on with your buyers and these 7.5% mortgage rates. When we talked to Poughkeepsie, I think he said 51% of buyers were financed. So in other words, a lot of this was still cash in the market and so forth. How are people in Dayton affording 7.5% mortgage rates?
Yeah, good question. It's a great question. I really enjoyed the segment yesterday with Poughkeepsie, and our market's a little bit different. We don't have quite as many cash buyers, definitely. So our folks are financing, but they're just working their way through it. They're using points to buy down the rate. So maybe buyers are asking sellers to help with closing costs so that they can do that, whereas we didn't see that a year or two ago. But yeah, maybe bring a little bit more cash to the table, getting a gift from mom and dad or grandma and grandpa so they can lower the amount that they have to borrow.
So the house that we just saw there, it sold for what, 1.2? Did it sell above ask?
Yes, sir. Just barely, just slightly above ask.
So pretty much above ask. And how big is that pool again? That's a big pool.
60 by 18. We'd love to have you. We'd love to have you down. Dayton has some amazing breweries and restaurants these days, and that's why people are flooding the market. But we'd love to have you to town anytime to check it out.